This is how many we have of the same drink. Accidentally lost my dad. All of this is just fruits and vegetables. Today we're going to go shopping. Parking lots, they have music in them, so then like if you're trying to find a spot to park, you can just jam out in the middle. Copyright strike, be warned everybody. So look here. There are like 7,000 freaking aisles here, and I'm not even kidding. This place is gigantic, and it also has a second floor. So believe me when I say it's gigantic. We also have a huge section where people just come out and just eat. Like, there are chefs and they come and they cook like everything. They just put it out, you can just buy it and eat it. And it's absolutely crazy. You don't have to, okay. Now you don't have to pretend you're not stealing olives and just pick up a toothpick and stab one instead. See, we think of everything, absolutely everything. Welcome to the sweet section, where we literally have 7 times more of every single sweet than you have in an entire aisle. Good evening everybody and welcome to Pew News. Today we will be looking at different foods and how you can eat them. And we will also be discovering many adventures of a supermarket. Disco time. Let's get right into it, everybody. So, yeah. Accidentally lost my dad in the filming of the Pew News section, so have to try and go find him now, which is absolutely epic. Still haven't found him, but a completely different note. This is how many we have of the same drink. See here? All of this would generally be packed with food that chefs would make every day just for us, and then we'd just be able to pick it up and eat it ourselves. Oh, and I still haven't found my dad, which is epic. And look, they still have tons of food here, still available for us to eat. Finally found him. Took me like 7 hours, but that's okay. More food and more olives. This is the meat place where they butcher every single animal in the world and eat it, and more olives. There's also a giant fish section, but I'm not going to go there because it actually stinks. Like, you need some milk? We have therapy for that. Look at all this. Oh, and by the way, we also have a thing where you can drink chocolate milk out of a bag. It's honestly the best experience you'll ever taste or feel in your entire life. Look at all of that. Ignore the strawberry, disgusting. Nearly lost my dad again. Have a massive section for cheese where people can just line up to get their order. And by far the most important collection in the entire supermarket. All this is bread. Shout out to Jackal120. Hope you enjoy your lunch. You could have lunch like this for an eternity. Massive shout out to Rubik's Resolutions for winning the egg comment thing in our Israel vlog. Both her channel and Jack's channel will be in the description below for all you guys to check them out. All of this is just lollies. Like, this entire thing is lollies, like all the way down, this entire thing. Can all the Canadians have their seal of approval waiting for these maple syrups? What's the plural of maple syrup? I need help. Egg. Each of the 30 checkouts have different ice cream flavors. So when you want to leave, you'll just get tempted to get even fatter on the way out, while trying to look for a checkout that's open, because all 30 of them are generally full. We have already been tempted. The suspect is walking. Bam. He did it, everybody. You just couldn't resist it. What an epic
lad. You just what? Non-dairy? What are you doing?
What a disgrace. Let's get something good. I heard cookie dough is good, but I'm not sure. Is it cookie dough? Okay, something else. My padre doesn't like cookie dough. My hands are freezing to death. Comment your favorite Ben & Jerry ice cream flavor so then I can buy one next time. Okay, what about that one? That looks decent. My hand is frosted. This goes all the way until checkout number 34. You thought we were done? Well, we didn't even get the fruits and vegetables. Let's go into the second store and see how big that one is. All of this is just fruits and vegetables. The entire thing. And let's just appreciate the art that people have done to this to make this place look better. This entire aisle is just made out of apples. More ice cream on the way out. And that's what it feels like going into a supermarket every Saturday when you go shopping. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And tell me if you want to see more vlogs or if you just want to see random skits that don't make any sense. So, thank you. And I hope to see you soon. Very shortly. By the way, I'm working on a couple of skits. I have lots of ideas right now. All I need to do is just film them and see you guys sometime. Bye!